Love it. My son is a size 10/12 in kids' clothes. I ordered him the extra small and it fits him perfectly. The shorts are double-lined but do not have pockets. The waistband is a bit tight, but he is very petite so it fits good. Couldn't tell they were different from any other pair of combat boots on the market. Fit well and nice quality as usual for the Billy brand. Sizing is true, doesn't fit too small or large. Cute top. Very comfortable. Love the bonus pockets. Soft material, fits perfect. The design is adorable. My little granddaughter loved it. This shirt bunches up on the sides and has buttons that make it adorable. Click link in description for more reviews.